Configuring GoHenry allowances is a straightforward process that allows parents to teach their children the value of money management. To start, you need to have a GoHenry account and have set up an account for your child. First, log into your GoHenry account and navigate to the Allowances tab. Here, you can set a weekly or monthly allowance for your child, which will be automatically transferred from your account to theirs. You can choose to pay the allowance on a specific day of the week or month, and you can also set a specific amount. Next, you can customize the allowance by setting limits on how much your child can spend in certain categories, such as cash withdrawals, online purchases, or specific stores. This helps teach your child to prioritize their spending and make smart financial decisions. You can also set tasks for your child to complete in order to earn their allowance. This can include chores, homework, or other responsibilities. By completing these tasks, your child will learn the value of hard work and earning money. In addition to setting allowances, you can also use GoHenry to teach your child about saving and giving. You can set savings goals for your child, such as saving for a new toy or a long-term goal like college. You can also encourage your child to give to charity, teaching them the importance of giving back to their community. To monitor your child's spending and stay on top of their allowance, you can use the GoHenry app to receive notifications and track their account activity. This allows you to have open and honest conversations with your child about their spending habits and financial decisions. By following these steps and using the features available on GoHenry, you can help your child develop good money management skills and a healthy relationship with money. Remember to regularly review and adjust your child's allowance as their needs and financial responsibilities change over time.